Second, write long posts, share it on social media. Doing that, it will bring you engagement and generate more leads for you, and you never know who may contact you asking about your business. The third platform is SlideShare. I know most of you must be thinking that how SlideShare can help you generate leads. What you have to do is you have to create a PPT about your business, share it on SlideShare. This will help you bring awareness as well, and you have to download other PPTs available on SlideShare. This will lead to exchange of information, generating more leads for you and bringing engagement as well. Fourth, Facebook groups. Again, write long post, create carousel post, share it in multiple Facebook groups. You will be able to attract people, bring engagement to your page as well, and generate leads for you. Fifth, YouTube. Create YouTube videos about your business. This will help you bring awareness as well as leads. In the description of the video, you can have a Google form which will help people connect with you and generating more leads for you. Next, LinkedIn. Connect with people, engage with them, reply to all the comments you are getting on your post. Look for something which is common between you and the other person and engage. Seventh, do a lot of free sessions about your business. This will help you attract more audience, generating more leads, and through free sessions you can reach out to maximum people. If you like this video, you can press the subscribe button and join my free Telegram community, the link for which is in the description box.